Is your Siemens EQ6 stuck on an empty grounds bin warning, even though the bin is already empty? This usually happens when the machine doesn't detect the bin being removed at the right moment. Let's fix it step by step. By the end of this video, your machine should clear the warning and brew again. Step 1. Remove the tray while the machine is on. Always remove the drip tray and grounds bin while the machine is powered on. This helps it register that the bin was emptied. If you did it while off, the sensor may not reset. Step 2. Clean the grounds bin and contacts. Take out the grounds bin and rinse it thoroughly. Check for stuck coffee pucks or residue. Wipe the plastic tabs or contact points clean with a dry cloth. Step 3. Dry the inside tray chamber. Use a towel or cloth to dry the chamber where the bin and tray slide in. Moisture or stray grounds can interfere with the sensor. Step 4. Reinsert the tray fully and firmly. Push the tray and bin all the way in until they click into place. If they're even slightly misaligned, the machine might still think the bin is full. Step 5. Restart the machine. Turn off the EQ6, unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes, then restart. The warning should be gone when it powers back up. Still seeing the warning after all that? It may be a sensor fault. Use the Siemens support link in the description to get help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick EQ6 walkthroughs. Have another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature yours next. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing!